Hey there, fellow travelers. Today, I want to talk to you about my recent trip to California's Central Coast and wine country. It was one of the most incredible experiences of my life. I started my journey in Santa Barbara, a stunning coastal city known for its beautiful beaches, rich history, and delicious cuisine. The weather was perfect, and I spent my days lounging on the beach, exploring the city's historic landmarks, and indulging in some of the best seafood I've ever tasted. From Santa Barbara, I headed north to San Luis Obispo, a charming town known for its laid-back vibe, quaint shops, and stunning natural beauty. The highlight of my time in San Luis Obispo was a hike to Bishop Peak, where I was rewarded with breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Next up was Paso, Robles, a beautiful wine country home to some of the best vineyards and wineries in the country. I spent my days exploring the countryside, sampling some of the region's finest wines, and indulging in delicious farm-to-table cuisine. From Paso Robles, I headed to Santa Cruz, a vibrant coastal city known for its stunning beaches, quirky culture, and incredible seafood. I spent my days surfing, exploring the boardwalk, and indulging in some of the freshest seafood I've ever tasted. Finally, my journey brought me to Napa Valley, the crown jewel of California's wine country. I spent my days exploring the region's vineyards, indulging in delicious cuisine, and taking in the stunning natural beauty that surrounds the area. One of the things that stood out to me about this region was the incredible natural beauty that surrounds it. From the rugged coastline and stunning beaches to the rolling hills and vineyards of wine country, the landscapes here are truly breathtaking. But it wasn't just the scenery that made this trip so memorable. It was also the people. Everywhere I went, I encountered friendly locals who were more than happy to share their recommendations for the area's best wineries, restaurants, and activities. It made me feel welcome and at home in this beautiful part of the world. Of course, only a trip to California's Central Coast and wine country would be complete with indulging in some of the region's incredible cuisine. Whether I was sampling fresh seafood in Santa Barbara or enjoying farm-to-table cuisine in Paso Robles, every meal was a true culinary delight. And let's remember the wine. This region is home to some of the most famous wineries in the world, and I had the chance to sample some genuinely incredible vintages. From full-bodied reds to crisp whites, there's a wine here for every palate. But what made this trip so special was the sense of adventure and exploration that came with it. Whether I was hiking to the top of Bishop Peak or surfing in Santa Cruz, every day was filled with new and exciting experiences. And that's what travel is all about: stepping out of your comfort zone, trying new things, and making memories that will last a lifetime. Overall, my trip to California's Central Coast and wine country was an unforgettable experience. I was blown away by the natural beauty, delicious cuisine, and welcoming people of the region, and I can't wait to go back and explore more. If you're looking for a travel destination that offers a little bit of everything, I recommend adding this incredible region. So if you're looking for a travel destination that combines natural beauty, world-class cuisine, and unforgettable experiences, I recommend checking out California's Central Coast and wine country. I promise you won't be disappointed.